It's being reported that third-party independent candidate RFK Jr. is looking to drop out of the presidential race, potentially as early as the end of this week. And it sounds like he is planning to endorse former President Donald Trump for president. And it sounds like it's going to be doing it in exchange potentially for a cabinet position should Donald Trump be reelected. Now, why this week? Well, according to the article I read, and that listed unnamed sources close to RFK Jr., that the plan is to do it to try to draw it, to blunt some of the momentum away from Vice President Kamala Harris coming out of the DNC and try to take the edge off that bump and that boost that candidates normally get around their party's convention. And it seems to echo a little bit about what happened at the end of the RNC when Joe Biden said, I'm not going to seek re-election, I'm stepping aside and I endorse Kamala Harris. That blunted the momentum of Donald Trump coming out of the RNC and just spiked the interest in Vice President Kamala Harris as a candidate. So I'm looking to see if he does actually step out by the end of this week. It might be next week, but I do not entertain the idea that RFK Jr. will be a third-party candidate going into the election. And it's not like he had much of a chance to win anyway. Third-party candidates are very hard to win elections, mostly because of the two-party system, how it is currently set up. You got about 30 to 40% of voters that will vote for their party one way or the other. So there's just not enough voters left that would swing toward a third-party candidate. So just be looking for that, expecting RFK Jr. to drop out, like I said, maybe by the end of this week.